Hello guys, in today's video we are coming to cook red palm oil soup. So these are my ingredients: my fish, my country fish. This is what we call country fish. Yes, very tasty and sweet. It's from the village. And I have my Maggi cube. Yes, my Maggi cubes. That is shake to season my fish and meat. And I have my onions. Yes, I have my baking soda. Yes, that's my baking soda. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow my Facebook page. This is my crane. Yes, this is what I'm going to use to check the rice. So guys, you're gonna enjoy this recipe. Please follow, like, comment, and share. See my red palm oil, guys. See them. See my ingredient, my meat. Yes, I'm going to use meat in this red palm oil. This soup is gonna be sweet. So just follow the steps. See my red pepper. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. Love you. And please, let's cook this food together. I hope you're going to enjoy. After cooking the soup this way, you're going to enjoy. This is one of the food we don't joke with. Stay tuned. So this is me. I've cut my meat, wash it behind camera. Yes. And this is me rinsing my fish, because that fish from the village, oh, they season it well before drying it. It's very sweet. So I rinsed it and put it on top of my meat because I want it was very dry and strong, and that fish has a lot of bones. So I make sure I washed it and put it inside my pot. After that, I'm going to put my shake Maggi, and after that I put my salt. Okay, see me putting my salt. Yeah, because I want the salt to enter in the fish. So this is me putting my shake Maggi. We don't use a lot of seasoning while cooking this red palm oil soup. Yes, we have to just put small seasoning because we don't want the soup to smell seasoning. Yeah, so salt and that shake Maggi is enough. I put my water and put my pot on top. Yes, so these are my ingredients. I've peeled my onion, my pepper, my Maggi. Don't forget the baking soda. We are going to use that baking soda for the crane to grain the rice for us where we want it. So we are not going to use that baking soda in the soup. It is for the crane. And you're gonna see my baby Divine. She was watching film. She and my mom. Yes, she was shouting for me to come and carry her. Don't mind her. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. See my mom now helping me with the crane. Yes, helping me plucking out the crane. Let me see my fish. My fish is well steamed now, and now it is soft the way I'm seeing it. It's okay. Let me touch. Okay, it's okay now for me to remove the fish from the pot. So let me get my spoon and bowl. So I started removing the fish from the pot. Guys, enjoy the video. Guys, slice my onion and my fish. I make sure I remove all the fish inside and it remains only the meat. And this meat was soft, sorry. So see me, it was hot. I wanted to remove the bone from it now. See, I've cut my onion. Yes, this is my fish. Now see, I've removed all the bones inside. It looks yummy, 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 yummy. Guys, this soup is gonna be lit. Yes. So I come to check on my meat again. Let me know if it has softened to the way I want it. So I took one to taste. The meat is not plenty, and I'm finishing it inside the pot. Okay, don't mind me. I just have to taste the texture. If it is finished, it was finished. So see me now coming to put my red palm oil. Yeah, this is the time to put it because my meat is done where I want it and my fish is ready. So now I'm putting all my ingredients. Inside the pot. So I make sure I put my red palm oil first, then my pepper second. Yes, guys. So I'm going to put all the ingredients. This is the time you put. Sometimes if it was raw fish, because we do cook it with different meats. If it was raw fish, you put everything together in the pot. Everything together when the pot is on the floor. You arrange everything. Yes, see me putting my onion. Then you put it. This soup is not difficult to cook at all. It's not difficult to cook. See me putting my Maggi now. Yes. My Maggi cube. That Maggi cube is called that Maggi cube is called Hunger. Yes. That one is right and sweet now. So I need to put salt again. So guys, after 5 minutes, I open my pot to check how my soup is going. See? So I have allowed the onion to fry and the meat and all the ingredients have entered into the meat, and that meat was so delicious. If you taste it, guys. So I'm coming to put small water. Yes, it needs water. So you don't have to put a lot of water. See, just washing the mortar I use. The pepper. So just small water. So will look so contagious. Yes, don't mind me. So some people use garden eggs, but this time the time I cooked the soup, there was no garden eggs available in the market, so that's why I use this onion. So some people will use garden eggs, yeah, to add it. And now it's time for me to put my fish, because I didn't put my fish quickly because I don't want it to scatter more and more. So see your baby girl. Guys, if you taste this soup, you want to eat it every day. Every day, you'll not be tired of it. Enjoy the video. So now I add a little salt because it was not having salt because I was scared. My soup is ready. So this is the rice. It's time for me to come and put my cream. We've cut the cream and we have mixed it with the baking soda. So sorry it was done behind camera because I was so busy. I was not able to capture that moment, but it has been mixed with the cream and I've covered it inside. See, that will allow the baking soda will allow it to be green, just like that. So after hiding it in the middle of the rice, I covered my pot. Yes, see, it is inside. I covered my pot. After 10 minutes, I opened it and removed. It was cooked. It was cooked very well. See how green our green looks. This is what we are going to use to check the rice. This is what we call check rice, guys, in Sierra Leone. And this is one of the food the Mende people loves to prepare. See, so I'm dishing out the food. Yes, this is how we do it. So I dish my rice and mixed it, and my rice was checked properly. This is how we do it. So you see, you mix your rice with the cream properly, and it will give you your check rice. This is what we call check rice. It's very delicious. I found out that my cream was plenty, so I add the rice. Yes, add the rice, mix it properly. See, this is what we call check rice. And if you put this, you put that soup on top of this rice, guys, oh, you will love it for the rest of your life. Yes. So guys, thanks for watching. If you've watched up to this end, please make sure you like, comment and share, subscribe. See our check rice. Yes, I was dishing on my food. Enjoy the video. Please follow our Facebook page, comment, share, like, and invite more friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. God bless you. Stay tuned. So I was dishing on my soup. Yes, I was finding the meat because I cooked this soup for a stranger. Yes, for a visitor. Yeah. So, and the person loves this soup. The person says she is going to try this food. Yes, when she returns home. She says she loves it very much. Yeah, she came from Freetown and she admires this food. She loves it. So guys, food is ready. Food is ready to eat. Yes, see now, I'm done dishing. So you can come and join us eat. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, stay tuned.